Here's a method for dealing with those awful-smelling bugs. I'll show you how to use it to get rid of these unwanted pests. These bugs, known as brown marmorated stink bugs, are dangerous to plants. They're notorious for the unpleasant odor they release when threatened or crushed. If you spot one in your home, it's important to resist the urge to touch or squash it, as that will release its foul-smelling secretion. As the weather cools, stink bugs seek warmth and shelter, typically entering homes in late summer and fall. However, there's a tried-and-true method to avoid these bugs. All you need is a CD. Take a CD and tie a string to it. Simply hang it by the window, and the light reflecting off it will repel the bugs. Another very effective trick is to place the CD inside your plants. Many bugs hide under plant leaves, but the CD can easily deter these stink bugs and other pests. It's a cheap but very effective trick. This simple trick could keep mosquitoes away all summer long. All you need are a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Take one fresh orange and carefully cut off the top. Then gently score the center of the fruit to create space inside. Using a spoon, carefully scoop out part of the inside while keeping the orange's shape intact. Fill the inside with fragrant coffee, which will slowly release a rich and pleasant aroma. Next, add a few cloves to give it a warm, spicy scent. Lightly sprinkle everything with cinnamon, which blends all the aromas together perfectly and creates an incredibly cozy atmosphere. Take a cinnamon stick and carefully light it so it starts releasing its intense, smoky fragrance. Place the lit cinnamon stick inside the orange to make the aroma even stronger. Then place the top of the orange back on, recreating the whole fruit with its unusual filling. After a short while, the scent will spread throughout the room. The combination of orange, coffee, cloves, and cinnamon creates a powerful aroma that mosquitoes and many small insects simply can't stand. Because of this, the trick may help reduce bugs in your home, especially in the evenings or when the windows are open. Many people use this method during summer as a natural alternative to chemical insect repellents. Spray this on your skin, and mosquitoes will avoid you all summer. Insects often appear outdoors and can be really annoying, so it's worth knowing how to get rid of mosquitoes. Prepare a glass. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of coffee. Coffee has a strong scent and naturally repels insects. Pour warm water over it and let it sit for a few minutes to brew and release its aroma. Then strain the mixture through a sieve lined with gauze to remove the grounds and get a clear liquid. Add a few drops of essential oil, such as lemon, lavender, or eucalyptus. Add about 16 fluid ounces of water to slightly dilute the mixture and mix everything well. Pour the liquid into a larger spray bottle. Spray outdoor areas, especially around the patio, doors, and in the garden. Also, prepare a small travel bottle and pour some of the mixture into it. Spray your skin, for example your forearms, before going for a walk. This is an effective, natural way to repel mosquitoes and ticks and keep them away. Już nigdy więcej nie zobaczysz much i komarów w swoim domu. Jeśli interesują Cię sposoby na komary, pokażę Ci prosty sposób. Dowiesz się, jak samemu zrobić spray na komary. Nie posiada on w sobie żadnej chemii, ale to właśnie to, czego nie lubią komary i muchy. Wystarczy nim spryskać ramy drzwi i okien. Żaden owad się do nich nie zbliży. Uszykuj naczynie. Nalej do niego szklankę wody. Dodaj łyżkę mielonego cynamonu. Cynamon posiada właściwości odstraszające te insekty. Ale działa też bardzo skutecznie na mrówki i meszki. Dobrze wymieszaj wszystko. Cynamon odstrasza nieproszone owady swoim zapachem. Przelej miksturę do butelki z dyfuzorem za pomocą lejka. Aby dyfuzor się nie zatkał, odceć miksturę przez gazę lub filtr do kawy. Jest to jeden z najłatwiejszych i bardzo skutecznych sprayów na komary i muchy. Nienawidzą tego zapachu. Wystarczy, że spryskasz ramę drzwi wejściowych i balkonowych. Spryskaj też ramy okien. Dodatkowo możesz spryskać rośliny. Nic im się od tego nie stanie, a przeciwnie. Cynamon ma wiele zalet dla roślin. Chroni je przed chorobami, stymuluje ich wzrost i reguluje pH gleby. Jeśli spryskasz kosz na śmieci, żadne muchy nie będą latać nad resztkami z niego. Ta jedna przyprawa zapewni ci oryginalny i najlepszy spray odstraszający muchy i komary. Get rid of bugs in 10 seconds. This is the strongest insect repellent possible. Your enemies will disappear in no time. I'm sure you have the ingredients for this mixture at home. Take 5 cloves of garlic and peel them thoroughly. Its smell and juice are very repellent to various bugs. The same goes for onions, so take 1 red onion, peel it, and chop it. Put these prepared ingredients into a blender, then add 250 milliliters of water. To enhance our insecticide, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, preferably cayenne. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Blend everything together. Strain this mixture into another container. Prepare a large vessel and pour in 1 liter of water. Add the blended mixture to this water. Pour the combined solution into a spray bottle. Spray it on flowers or other plants in your garden. This spray is also perfect for getting rid of ants and other insects. Just spray them, and you won't have any more bugs. This great solution prevents pests from damaging garden plants. When I discovered this method, there are no more flies, ants, or cockroaches in my house. I got rid of them effectively and without harmful chemicals. Pour 300 milliliters of water into a frying pan. Prepare 2 tablespoons of cloves. They must be whole. Their use in repelling pests is brilliant. Throw them into the water and heat the whole thing. A decoction should be formed. When the water changes color and a pleasant scent begins to pervade the house, we move on to the next step. Sprinkle baking soda onto the pan. 2 tablespoons are enough. It will react with the decoction and start fizzing. Add small amounts so that the substance does not overflow from the pan. Stir until it disappears. Let us know in the comments from which location you are watching us. I'm sure this one mixture will help you get rid of pests from your home once and for all. Pour it into a spray bottle. I used a funnel for this. Put a few bay leaves into the bottle. Their intense smell repels pests. Just insert them into the previously prepared mixture to enhance its effectiveness. Such a spray can last up to 2 months. Since I've been living in the countryside, I always have it on hand. I was fed up with pests that had infested my house. It turned out that just by spraying this spray on the front door, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills, insects avoid the house like the plague. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in the kitchen for several months. This natural recipe is safe for pets and children.